All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are. This is the Unlimited Crazy Cash Call Marketing Toolkit. Disclaimer. Read the disclaimer. All right. I consider the Unlimited Crazy Cash Call Marketing Toolkit the direct mail marketing Bible, people. You follow me? Everything you need to know to succeed. Step-by-step training, proven marketing strategies, postcards and flyer templates be added, okay? Mailing secrets that work, tips that get real results, and build a profitable home business today. Get this toolkit today. This complete system to start growing a successful business. That's what this is. The Marketing Bible. The only thing I ask you to do is be teachable and coachable. Okay, could help put cash in your mailbox or however you choose to get paid. You can get paid weekly, mailing postcards or using flyers to market your business. What about We Buy Houses Cash? This is your opportunity to help build your future. Regular $99.95. Today $49.95. Get your kit today. It doesn't matter whether you're online marketing or offline marketing. We're going to cover a lot of that in this Unlimited Crazy Cash Call Marketing Toolkit. Online, we're talking about Facebook, email marketing, okay, Facebook Marketplace, text messaging marketing, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Craigslist, Neighbors, so many places. Offline, look, direct mail marketing. We're talking about postcards, we're talking about flyers, every door direct mail. Now, this is going to get you into neighborhoods that, sorry to say, your skin color probably can't get you into. You'll be able to get them in there normally that next day. Into someone's home, into someone's mailbox. Okay, door hangers. It's a whole lot of other ways of marketing that's going to be covered in this toolkit. This marketing toolkit is for every industry. One powerful toolkit to market any business, product, or opportunity. Realtors. Look, we can help you get more listings, attract more buyers, close more clients, okay? Get for roofers, get more calls, more estimates, and more jobs booked. How about insurance agent? Get more leads, okay? That's great. More renewals, okay? Churches. Grow your church, more members, more volunteers. Restaurants, more customers, more takeout services, repeat businesses. What about you contractors? Hey, get more projects, more profit, and continued work. Small business owners, more local customers, more sales, more growth. Affiliate marketers, get more traffic, more leads, more commission. Money matters. Guess what? You can work at home. If you got a work from home business, okay, more time freedom, more income. Look, postcards, flyer, direct mail, EDDM, that means every door direct mail, email templates, social media templates, lead generation, sales strategies, and much more waiting for you today. Get this unlimited crazy cash cow marketing toolkit. This $49.95 toolkit that could change your life, change your marketing, change your income. Realtors, roofers, insurance agents, restaurant owners, contract, affiliate marketers, small business owners. Hey, it's right here for you, only $49.95. $49.95 will put you on the track of success. All you have to do is be teachable, coachable, and follow instructions. It is as simple as that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is just a simple instructions of one of the examples of a 2% return on people that are using flyers and postcards that we recommend. Okay, let's say you mail out 3,000 and you just get a 2% response from that. Okay, that's 60 people responding. What if that product or that service is paying $300? Okay, 60 times 300, that's $18,000 that day, that week, of that month, people. 60 people from a simple system that's in the marketing toolkit. Okay, now with the stamps, okay, let's say that you get 100 stamps from each person. All right, this is normally based on a flyer program or postcard program that they'll be sending 100 stamps to. Okay, that's 60 people sending you 100 stamps, that's 6,000 stamps. Who could you not market to again? This is it, the direct mail marketing Bible, ladies and gentlemen. The unlimited crazy cash cow marketing toolkit. It's waiting for you. Click in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. There's clear instructions on how to order this. You could do a Cash App, okay? Or you could just simply call me, 346-704-1754, or you could send me an email. Read the description. It's very important. Follow instructions. I look forward to talking with you. Have a great day, evening, night. No matter what time it is, where you are, the Unlimited Crazy Cash Cow Marketing Toolkit is ready to help you put mailbox money in your pocket into your business. Have a great day.